Blessed day everyone, I am Grace Oriana and now let's talk about the environment and agricultural sector. Problem number 1. Climate change effects. Climate change is one of the most concerning environmental issues that has ability to affect the delicate balance of the planet Earth. It involves shifts in weather patterns, rising temperature, and extreme weather events like storm and droughts. These changes disrupt ecosystem, endangering wildlife and impacting humans worldwide. Sources of climate change refers to significant and long-term changes in global or regional climate patterns. It primarily driven by human activities, including emission of greenhouse gases, deforestation, and industrial processes. These changes have far-reaching impacts on ecosystem, weather patterns, sea levels, and human societies worldwide. Solution: through adopting sustainable practices such as cutting down on the release of carbon dioxide, protecting forests, and allocating resourcing towards renewable energy, we can lessen the effects of climate change and create a more solid and a good condition future for the future generation. Problem number 2, deforestation. Effects. Deforestation has many negative effects both locally and globally. It destroys ecosystems, endangers countless species, and contributes to habitat loss. Furthermore, it lessens the planet's capacity to absorb carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas that causes climate changes. In addition, deforestation can lead to soil erosion and decrease biodiversity and a greater danger to natural disasters like floods and landslides. Sources: deforestation is primarily caused by agricultural expansion, logging, mining, and urbanization. These activities result in the clearing of forests for farmland, timber extraction, resource exploitation, and infrastructure development, leading to habitat loss and biodiversity decline. Solution: it is essential to prioritize conservation efforts, support sustainable land management practices, and enforce strict laws against illegal logging and land clearing, founding reforestation projects, and granting local residents the ability to participate in managing stress are a key step in protecting and restoring our forests. By taking this action, we are decrease the negative impacts of deforestation on the environment, society, and economy, and preserve the health of our planet for future generations. Problem number 3, solid waste effects. Poor solid waste management can pollute environment, lowering the quality of the air, water, and soil. It encourages the spread of poison and diseases, endangering the human health. Furthermore, stacking of solid waste endangered wildlife pollution and adds to habitat loss. Sources: solid waste can also stem from various societal activities such as municipal services, street cleaning, and recreational events, contributing to the diverse sources of waste generation in communities worldwide. Solution: effective solution for managing solid waste include implementing recycling programs to divert recyclable materials from landfills, promoting composting initiative to reduce organic waste, and encouraging waste reduction strategies such as reusable packaging and products. Additionally, investing in advanced waste treatment technologies like waste-to-energy facilities can help minimize the environmental impact of solid waste disposal while Also generating renewable energy. Public education awareness campaigns are also crucial to encourage responsible waste management practices at individual and community levels. Problem number 3. Growing population effects. One of the effects of an increasing population is increased demand for goods and services, which can promote economic growth by also affect the environment and infrastructure. Social dynamics can change in addition to cultural standard, family structures, and bonds between individuals. Sources. The primary causes of an expanding population include high birth rates, improved healthcare that reduces death rates, and immigration from neighboring regions of countries. Political, economic, and cultural factors may perform an important impact on the rate of population growth. Solution. To manage growing population effectively, strategies such as education on family planning, access to contraceptives, and investment in healthcare infrastructure improvements, moreover, empowering women through education and economic opportunities can lead to voluntary reduction in birth rates. Sustainable development policies that address both population growth and resource management are also essential, and infrastructure improvements in the healthcare system. Problem number 5. Loss of agricultural land. Effects. Food production lowers as a result of agricultural land loss, creating shortages and price increases. It also plays a part in the weakening of the ecosystem, which include biodiversity loss and soil erosion. It also affects agricultural communities' economic stability, affecting the everyday lives of farmers and income prospects. Sources. Urbanization, conversion of agricultural land for residential, commercial, and industrial purposes to accommodate growing urban population, infrastructure development, construction of roads, highways, airports, and other infrastructure projects often require clearing agricultural land. Solution. To reduce the loss of agricultural land, early actions are needed. For example, land use planning regulation must be maintained to protect farmland from expanding cities and unsustainable development through the promotion of sustainable agriculture practices that prioritize soil protection and minimize damage to the environment. It is possible to retain the productivity of the current agricultural area, supporting research and development for technologies like targeted agriculture and vertical farming can also boost food production without destroying agricultural land resources.